I love this a lot. Here they are in all their glory. What's super embarrassing is cute little lollipops. $146. Thank you, honey. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Saturday night, and as we can see, I just got home from work. As I was pulling in, I saw a package at our door, and I told my husband when I got home, I said, we have a package at the front door. And he says, we do? And I said, yeah. So he went and got it, and it's this. So let's see what's in here. Ooh, cute. So this is the mini weekender. I asked for the mini one because I feel like the regular one is just a little bit too big. And I also wanted something that I could use as a carry-on. And I think that the regular weekender is too big for a carry-on. So I got this brown color. I think it's so pretty. Nice neutral. So I love that it has this. I'm kind of telling my husband too because he's never had one of these. So this is like for shoes and stuff. You can put in here, it stays away. I guess you could put your toiletries in here too. And then there's this back pocket here. I feel like that would be perfect for phones and stuff. So I'm thinking that this is where you put your suitcase handle through. And I guess if you're not using it for that, it's a pocket. I can carry it like this. And now the inside looks like I have this big ol', ooh, that's so nice. Big ol' pocket right there. Looks like this is for a laptop and the big compartment in here. I love this a lot. Thank you. John's face. We are back from the store and I'm gonna give you a quick little haul. Powerade, cute little Ollipops, the orange ones, coffee, and I'm super excited for this creamer. We love Yo Life cheese. They had creamer, which we've never seen before, so I got this. Strawberry applesauce, cherry applesauce, spring mix, and then we got the cat this, some all dressed chips. This is our favorite chicken. These, which we're gonna have tonight, vegan ramen. Non-food stuff, I had to get some Mighty Patches, deodorant, bags for Pickles' poop, shampoo. This small amount of things was $108. Okay, he deserves this because he's been such a good boy with his antibiotics. Come here, Pickles. Come here, Pickles. What is it? Oh, are you eating it? You're supposed to scratch it. Is this a fail? Hey guys, good morning. I hope you don't mind a little iPhone vlog, at least while I'm at work. Today is Sunday, and how our weekends work is we have one scheduled nurse. This weekend, that's me. Our shift is 7 to 7:30. I came in, unlocked everything, QC'd the glucometer, checked the crash cart, and faxed our staffing sheet from last night. And then I logged on to the computer, and there are 3 cases on the board so far. Yesterday there was like maybe 6 when I came in. So yeah, now I'm just here in our break room, and I'm probably just gonna read my book because I have a quiz tomorrow, and finish my coffee, which, by the way, this coffee is elite. That creamer is supposed to be more of like a cream versus like coffee creamer. I don't know if that makes sense. Anyway, it's very smooth. I love it. I just finished my first patient and it is 10:10. Now time for some more reading. It is just after 1 and I just got my second patient out for the day. It's been really slow today compared to yesterday. But what's super embarrassing is I just hang out here in our break room, and this thing is supposed to alert me when the OR is calling out, turning over, all that fun stuff. And it didn't, even though I am logged in, and it was so embarrassing. They had to come in here and get me. Yeah, and the patient was just sitting out there waiting for me, so that was fun. But they're out now, and there are 2 in the OR running right now, so they'll probably come out at the same time, but I have a little break for now. And the other thing is that they are updating our Omnicells, which is where we get our medication from. Because of that, there's people like all around here, so it's like a little bit awkward because usually I just turn the lights down and just chill, but I can't really do that out there, at least because there's people walking around. So anyway, that's been a fun learning curve. I feel like they're making it harder than it was before, so that's not fun. But I did have to pull meds for this last patient and it worked fine enough. But yeah, so I think I'm just gonna sit here. Hopefully this thing alarms me this time. Okay, I don't know why it's doing this again. Shoot, we're out of chucks. Wow, I look shiny. So it is 3:30 and I just finished 2 patients. And then I was gonna eat my salad and I realized that I forgot dressing, but luckily I found some packets here. So I'm gonna hurry and eat that because there's a case in the OR that is pretty fast. And I'm hoping I just have time to eat. It's almost 5 and just got my last patient out, at least last patient in the OR. There are a couple other patients I might get, but probably not. I don't know. Just gonna hang out. I actually forgot it's the Super Bowl today, so missing that, even though I could watch it on my phone. I think I won't. Hey guys, so it is 7:15 and I'm home from my shift. It was a pretty slow day. I only had 4 or 5 patients total, and luckily it was slow enough during halftime that I was able to get on and watch, and it was literally so good. I was so happy that it was slow enough that I could watch it. I didn't really care too much for the game itself, but I had to see Kendrick Lamar, so that was nice. And then after that, I literally just, it was like 15 minutes until my shift was over anyway, so I just packed up and then headed out of there. Then as I was driving home, I was just thinking to myself, like, I'm just in such a good mood, thinking about the Snapchat my husband sent me, and then I'm like, why am I in such a good mood? And I was like, oh yeah, I'm freaking off tomorrow, that's why. So it is really just such a great feeling when I don't have to wake up again at 6 o'clock in the morning tomorrow to head back to work. So anyway, I'm going to take my hair out because it hasn't given me a headache or anything, but it's just, I'm ready to take it out. And then tomorrow, hopefully I'm gonna go to yoga or a workout or something, and then I'll wash my hair and take my quiz. And yeah, I'll see what we do for dinner tonight. I think we're gonna have to go out and get something. Open up. Sorry. Hello guys, good morning. So it is 8:30 right now. Today is Monday and it felt so good to sleep in until like 7 o'clock. It was maybe almost 7:10. Beans back there wakes me up every single day around, well actually that's sleeping in for her. She usually wakes us up around 6:30 or earlier just because she wants to be fed. So then I came out, fed her, fed Pickles, gave Pickles his antibiotic, made my coffee, and hung around for a bit. But like I said, oh I don't have my watch. It is almost 8:30. I have so much that I need and want to do today, and it's like giving me anxiety and it's making me just like not do anything. So I think what I'm gonna do is like literally brain dump, write everything down, filter through, organize like my top priorities. And unfortunately, I think I'm not gonna be able to work out today like I really wanted to, which sucks because if I'm gonna wash my hair, I want to have had just a fresh workout, but I don't think it's gonna happen for me today. You guys, look at my aloe plant. It's putting off this thing. I don't know if it's gonna flower. I didn't know these did that. This aloe plant is so old. It's maybe like at least 6 or 7 years old. So I'm excited to see what that's gonna turn into. So there's a lot I feel like I have to do, and I'm trying to like tell myself to chill because today is an unexpected day off. Like I was supposed to be working today. My two biggest things for school are my quiz today and starting my discussion board, but I'm pretty sure it's still locked because our professor needs to be emailed to open it every time. So I'm gonna email her, do all that. I oiled my hair up. Okay guys, I was gonna hop in the shower and I decided I should just repot this beauty that my friend actually got me for my birthday. It's literally the prettiest thing ever. He got it at Walmart, which I know we're boycotting Walmart right now. Okay, and now this is the other one I needed to repot. This one, I don't even really know what it is. I think it's a snake plant. I got it from my mother-in-law. It was just one of these buds and then it bloomed into 3. But the roots on these are weird. They're so like thin versus these are like nice thick. You can tell it's ready for a new pot. And last time I tried repotting this, it kind of started dying. So I'm hoping that this isn't too big. Here they are in all their glory. And both of these pots are from Home Depot. It's 4:30 and John just got home with our groceries, so I'm gonna speed around a grocery haul because the cat and the dog both want to eat. We got 2 distilled waters, Rouse sauce, Banza pasta, vegan ranch, and onion, Cholula, salsa verde, Brussels sprouts, bread, croutons, yogurt, peanut butter cookies, bananas, tofurkey, chocolate milk, oat milk, fresh baked bread, the best granola, vegan cheese, broccoli, asparagus, grapes, strawberries, avocados, tortillas, Poppy Dog Pop, which was supposed to be the wild berry kind, but I guess they were out and substituted, kitty litter, and coconut water. And the grand total was $146. Hey guys, so it is about 10 o'clock at night and we're gonna start getting ready for bed, but I'm gonna pack all my stuff that I'm gonna take to work tomorrow because I actually forgot that tomorrow's staff meeting day. So I have to be there for a 6 a.m. staff meeting. And then what sucks about that is that we get late started because after same day surgery has their staff meeting, then the OR has their staff meeting. So basically we shift down the time the surgery starts an hour. John packed me my lunch earlier, that's my breakfast, and I got myself the serving sizes of both of these.